Are you smarter than water? Of course you are. You do things all the time to outsmart this guy. For instance, on a rainy day, you wouldn't tuck your raincoat into your pants, would you? By that same token, you wouldn't lay shingles in the reverse order from top to bottom, because water would find its way right in. You wouldn't reverse shingle the siding on your house either. Then why would you ever reverse shingle your sheathing with tape? Especially since most construction litigation is due to moisture issues and water intrusion. So when it comes to your primary water barrier, don't stake your reputation on coated sheathing and reverse flash tape. DuPont Tyvek weather barriers are installed with at least a 6-inch overlap. Everyone knows that water can't run uphill. When the DuPont Tyvek full system of weather barriers and flashings are properly installed, you get a 10-year product and labor warranty. With over 30 years of proven performance, DuPont Tyvek is used to protect millions of homes worldwide. Think twice. Build once.